everybody, I'm Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm gonna speak about some confusing adverbs. So let's get started. Many adverbs are formed with the help of an adjective plus ly. For example, careful, carefully, bad, badly. An adjective refers to a noun. She's a careful driver. An adverb refers to a verb. She drives carefully. Here, careful and carefully have the same meanings. She's a bad speaker. She speaks English badly. Bad and badly have the same meanings. But not all the adverbs ending in ly have the same meanings with the appropriate adjectives. Now let's learn them. Hard and hardly. Similar, the same stem, but in spite of the similarities, they are completely different in meanings. Hard is both an adjective and an adverb. It has some meanings. She is a hard student. Here, hard is an adjective, refers to a noun. She works hard. Here, hard is an adverb, refers to a verb, and means using effort. My job is very hard, means my job is very difficult. But hardly doesn't have the same meaning as hard. It means very little, almost not. She hardly prepared for the examination. It means she prepared very little, almost not. They are going to marry. They have known each other for a few days. They hardly know each other. We often use hardly with anybody, anything, anywhere. How much time do we have? Hardly any, almost none. The position of hardly can be in two ways. She knew hardly anything. She hardly knew anything. We often use can, could plus hardly. My eyes are hurting me. I can hardly see. Hardly ever means almost never. I always drink tea in the mornings. I hardly ever drink coffee. Now I have a quiz for you. Choose the correct words. The exam was anybody could pass. Great. The exam was very hard. Hardly anybody could pass. Now let's learn about late and lately. They are also similar because of the stems, but they are different in meanings. Late means arriving, happening, or done after the expected, arranged, or usual time. For example, she was late. Here, late is an adjective. The bus was late. Here, late is an adjective. It refers to the word bus. It means the bus didn't come in time. She got up late. Here, late is an adverb. It refers to the verb. It means she didn't get up in time. But lately has a different meaning. It's an adverb. It means recently, in the recent past. She has been away lately. It means I haven't seen her for the last few days. Because of the weather, I haven't felt good lately. It means I haven't felt good for the last few days. We usually use lately for the present perfect tense form. So we say I am always late for my work. It means I am never in time for my work. And we say I have been absent for my English lessons lately. It means I haven't attended my English lessons for some days. Bad habits. Now I have a quiz for you. Choose the correct words. Because of my newborn baby, I have been sleeping badly. The flight was an hour. Well done. I have been sleeping badly lately. The flight was an hour late. Now let's learn about near and nearly. They have the same stems. They are similar, but indeed they are different in meanings. Near means a short distance away. I live near. It means I don't live far from here. My house is near. It means my house isn't far. It takes me only a few minutes. I arrive in 5 minutes. But nearly doesn't have the same meaning. It doesn't mean a distance. It means not quite, not completely, almost. For example, they were nearly all women. It doesn't mean they were completely women, but most of them were women. She's nearly 60. It doesn't mean she's completely 60. Maybe she's 58, 59, but she's almost 60. Instead of nearly, we can say closely. So we say she came near to whisper something, and we say the baby sleeps nearly all of the day. The baby sleeps most of the day. She doesn't sleep all of the day. Now I have a quiz for you. Choose the correct words. Is your school here? I work 5 hours a day. Great. Is your school near here? I work nearly 5 hours a day. Now let's speak about high and highly. High means tall. It's an adjective and an adverb. To climb high, here high is an adverb. The house is very high. Here high is an adjective. It refers to the noun. High is used to talk about the measurement from the bottom to the top of something. How high the tree is. But highly has some meanings. It means very. She's highly clever. It means she's very clever. Another meaning is at a high level. I have a highly paid job. It also means with admiration or praise. As a teacher, I think highly of you. He thinks very highly of himself. Now a quiz for you. Choose correct words. His writings were appreciated. I don't wear shoes with heels. Great. His writings were highly appreciated. I don't wear shoes with high heels. So at the end of the video, I highly recommend you to learn to practice these words. Try hard to learn English and never be late for my lessons. See you next time. Take care.